We are in Bloomfield, Michigan today doing EIFS Stucco repairs. It's critical to comprehend the requirement for routine maintenance and repairs if you own a home or business in Bloomfield, Michigan that is clad in EIFS, exterior insulation and finish system stucco siding. Due to its resilience and energy efficiency, EIFS is a popular synthetic stucco material used in numerous residential and commercial structures. Synthetic stucco, however, can have problems like any other cladding, including water damage and mold growth if not properly maintained and cared for. EIFS, Exterior Insulation and Finish System. What is it? EIFS is a multi-layered exterior wall system that includes insulation, drainage, and water-resistant coatings. It is often referred to as Dryvit or synthetic stucco. It is intended to give buildings higher energy efficiency, better soundproofing, and a contemporary look. A foam insulation board, a base coat, and a textured finish coat are the three layers that make up synthetic stucco. The exterior of the structure is covered with foam insulation board, which is then covered by a base coat that serves as an adhesive layer for the textured finish coat. The base coat is followed by the textured finish coat, which can be tailored to match the intended aesthetic of the structure. Due to its superior insulating capabilities in colder regions, exterior insulation and finish system stucco is well liked in Michigan. It's important to keep in mind that it's not completely resistant to moisture due to other products next to it like caulking, flashing, and windows that may fail. Therefore, it needs proper upkeep to prevent water damage. Reasons to request a free estimate. To prevent problems like water damage, mold growth, and structural damage, it's crucial to obtain routine maintenance and repairs if you live in Bloomfield, Michigan, and have a home or building covered in EIFS stucco siding. Although exterior insulation finish system is made to last, it's still crucial to have an expert evaluate the material and fix any problems that might crop up. It is important to only use the experts in synthetic stucco repairs, and that will provide you with a free quote for any repairs you require. Our crew is very skilled at locating and fixing typical synthetic stucco problems such as fractures, water damage, and mold development. To make sure that your repairs are efficient and long-lasting, we only utilize the best tools and methods. Call right now for a free estimate if you're having problems with your EIFS stucco siding. Our staff will collaborate with you to determine the problem and offer a solution that satisfies your requirements and budget. Conclusion. In Bloomfield, Michigan, synthetic stucco is a preferred type of siding because of its energy effectiveness and sleek design. However, if neglected, it can result in serious problems like water damage and the formation of mold. Call us right away at 888-407-2609 for a free quote if you're having problems with your EIFS stucco siding. Our staff will work with you to select the best solution for your needs because we have a lot of expertise locating and fixing common exterior insulation and finish system problems. Always put regular upkeep and repairs first to preserve the durability and effectiveness of your building or residence. Thank you for watching till the end and hitting the like button. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. Please consider subscribing to the channel.